Alright, so I got the MIATA project. Just degreased the engine down. Clear on the mirrors are starting to bubble a little bit. You can see, right? There. Right, a little ding by the door. Package of the MIATAs. A little lip thing that goes on the bottom there. That's bumper cover right over here. There's a little diffuser that you can get. Let's just, for this MIATA, let's keep it as stock as possible. Maybe I'll pick up another one in the future. Okay, this is the front marker lights out. We're gonna take these lights out and okay. Okay, we got one little. Okay. Check that. Yeah, this car was never in and out. Yeah. All right, this bottom diffuser, and just see how. And bolt it back up, and then put our epoxy in. When you look in this hole, you can see that the. You know, this end piece lined up. Getting all of this. It'll be molded really nice. Alright, and the same thing. So we got everything lined up really nice, as you can see. Alright, we're gonna fill all this, mold this piece on the rear as well. Give it a little custom look. Let's just go like this. You will get these shadows here, which are all tap the high spots down. But I've tried them all, and the ones and you want to use now to mold body panel, the bottom of this bumper cover. Same thing. All right, we have everything sanded. The seams are all sanded with 80 grit. So our epoxy is going to stick. We have to make sure we scuff behind here. So before I take the kit off and do the shaving, you can see it's all nicely molded in. Okay. We just split the back, cover it with Alright, so I put in another 8-hour day today. The paint job is done. Came out pretty good. You can see how it looks. I say few areas we could do some color sanding and buff, and I should have kept it more of a gold. And then I tried doing like a splatter because I wanted to splatter it green. I should have that we did. We put the decal on and took it off, so that's matching the same color. Check out the mold on the bottom. How it looks pretty good. The mold on the trunk here came out really good. Came out pretty good. I did the mirrors. Let me show you those. MAZDA, the gold in there, matching to the side. Cheers. Bye.